everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious vegetable spring rolls. This is a very simple recipe to make, and you need to give it a try, guys. Trust me, you are going to love it a lot. So if you don't know how to make the spring roll sheet, I have the recipe, the video as well. I'm going to be linking them description and at the end screen of this video, so please check them out. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to be telling you guys the ingredients while processing them. Okay, so that is the cabbage I'm going to be using. I'm using about 100 grams of cabbage. Depends the amount of spring rolls that you want to make. You can decrease, you can increase your own. So now I'm just chopping off that cabbage in a straight way, just like what I'm doing there. So after the cabbage, I'm going to set that aside and move over to the other vegetables. So I'm done with the cabbage, green pepper, and carrots. So now is the garlic. After the garlic, I'm going to chop half of that onion, the spring onions, and the remaining ingredients I'm going to be using there. All the vegetables, guys, the last thing I chopped was pepper. If you have the pepper flakes, like dry pepper flakes, you can use that. Okay, so on my pan over the heat, I added a little, like a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use olive oil. Okay, I added the garlic first, so I'm going to stir the garlic for a minute, then add the onion and the remaining ingredients. So after adding the onion, as you can see, I added the vegetables all at once. So I'm giving them a quick stir. Then I'm going to season them with the pepper. I use black pepper, salt, and that chili pepper. I didn't want to use a lot of that pepper because my family don't like spicy food, so I had to minimize it. So here I'm adding a teaspoon of sugar. Yes, that is sugar, not salt. So give that a quick stir, and I'm doing this over a high heat, guys. Okay, so after I'm done stirring the sugar, like about a minute or so. I'm adding a tablespoon of soy sauce as well into the sauce. So after adding the soy sauce, I'm going to give the vegetable another 1 minute, like a minute as well, over a high heat, like I said, over high heat. So now after 1 minute, I turn off the heat. I added the spring onion that you saw me chopped earlier, and that is it, guys. The heat is turned off at this time, so I'm going to set the vegetable aside to cool down before rolling it. So in here is water and the flour, just to make a little batter for the spring roll. So now let's get to the spring roll. For the spring roll sheets, I actually trimmed them into this corner. They were round. I'm going to be showing you how they were before I trim them. So all you need to do is to add you can add less or more vegetable into that. I added each of them 1.5 tablespoon of the cooked vegetable, and make sure that your vegetables are cold. Okay, so if you watch me, you will see how I roll this. They are very simple to roll, so I'm going to stop talking now for you guys to just watch and learn. Okay. I'm done folding the one I trimmed. So this is how the spring roll sheet came out when I was preparing them. So in case if you don't want to trim them, just you can still roll them. Just watch what I'm doing here, and voila, you get your spring roll even without trimming them. So here is my oil. I placed the oil over the heat while I was rolling the spring rolls. So the oil are hot enough now. So I'm going to go ahead to fry all the spring rolls that we have here. Then we continue, and while frying them, don't allow them to stay in the water. Only if you in the oil. Only if you're using a deep fry, you can just allow them to do their thing. But if you are frying in a pan like this, make sure you are there. Move the pan. Make sure the oil is touching the spring rolls. Just don't allow them to sit without moving them around. Okay. So this batch is cooked. As you can see, you need to fry them until they are golden brown. So I'm going to take that off the oil, and I'm going to add the other ones, and after frying them, I'm going to bring you guys back. So guys, I'm done frying all the spring rolls. My god, this tasted so much. This is pure restaurant quality spring rolls, guys. You need to give this a try. Like, you need to give them a try. Like I said, I have a video on how to make your own spring roll sheet, like spring rolls wrap. I have the video, you will check it out. I'm going to be leaving them at the end of this video and end screen description, and also at the comment section. You need to give that a try. You can do this, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. And this is amazing, tasted so amazing. And you can freeze this for up to 3-4 months. Okay, you can freeze them, just prepare them, freeze them, take them out whenever you want to fry them. And yeah, that is all, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please share, subscribe, and like this video if you really enjoy it, because it's really going to help me by just share this video. Okay, love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye.